Welcome to the TikTok Viral Forecast for 2026. This video will cover the top 20 fashion must-haves predicted to dominate the platform. Starting at number 1, Artisan Silk Hoodies. These combine raw South Asian silk with cyberpunk silhouettes, featuring hand-guided stitches that create a unique, quote, glitch effect in traditional patterns. Next, the mirror utility vests. They reflect the algorithm with authentic mirror work, stitched into tactical fabric, creating a natural shimmer perfect for transition videos. Number 3 is hand-woven sneakers. Traditional fabric weaving techniques are applied to 3D printed soles, bridging street style and heritage with vibrant neon patterns. At number 4, we have cyberbrass jewelry. These pieces use brutalist shapes inspired by ancient Indus architecture, making them heavy, bold, and high-impact accessories for the digital nomad. The quiet luxury evolution brings us raw silk cargo pants. Oversized silhouettes crafted from heavyweight raw silk, these are exceptionally durable and have replaced standard denim as the 2026 staple. Now, let's explore outerwear reimagined, featuring the next wave of viral layers. Number 6. Indigo-block puffers. These use 100% natural indigo dyes and traditional woodblock printing, making each one a wearable piece of folk art for cold weather visibility. Beaded artisan bags are number 7. A viral hit for their tactile quality, they use thousands of hand-stitched beads to create high-definition, unique patterns. At number 8 is artisan footwear. This is a modern take on the structured heritage sandal, featuring leather wrapping and extreme durability soles, the unboxing video gold of 2026. Folk art denim, number 9, adopts the vibrant hand-painted truck art aesthetic. This high-saturation, high-contrast style is perfect for the algorithm. The 10th item is high-density bombers. These richly embroidered satin jackets feature millions of stitches of regional floral motifs, embodying the main character energy for 2026. Next up, we look at essential layers, where comfort meets heritage in the 2026 wardrobe. Number 11. Pashmina-Luxe hoodies. Using genuine pashmina fabric panels, these offer ultra-soft techwear and are the pinnacle of tactile luxury on TikTok. Hand-knotted tops are number 12. Intricate macrame tops worn over tactical underlayers define the cyberfolk trend dominating the avant-garde fashion niche. At 13, minimalist silk tunics showcase genderless heritage. These clean-cut tunics focus on natural drape and fiber quality, offering an effortlessly chic and ethical look. Geometric eyewear is number 14. Featuring brass-framed futuristic glasses, they merge ancient metalwork with cyberpunk aesthetics through subtle heritage motifs. Sculptural silver collars, number 15, act as digital armor. These heavy, hand-forged silver neck pieces are a prominent feature in cinematic Get Ready With Me videos. Our final section focuses on sustainable luxury, crafting the future of ethical fashion. Number 16. Velvet artisan mules. Rich velvet embroidered with gold thread, these are the number 1 footwear item for transition videos, blending home comfort with high luxury. Cyber-ethnic windbreakers, number 17, integrate traditional regional weaves into reflective performance fabrics, ensuring high visibility and durability. At 18, bamboo silk totes are made from sustainably harvested bamboo, woven with silk fibers. They are durable for daily use and high-end for the fashion circuit. Indigo utility sets, number 19, are monochromatic sets using ancestral indigo dyeing processes. They are a favorite in the clean aesthetic TikTok subculture. Finally, the upcycled folk patch jackets. Made from surplus heritage fabrics, each piece promotes zero-waste artisanal fashion for the future. These 2026 viral fashion trends are predicted to generate over 15 billion views in the first half of the year. When styling for the algorithm, use mirror work for low-light flash transitions. Contrast oversized raw silk cargos with cyberbrass jewelry, and incorporate folk art denim for the global citizen aesthetic. Every item in this forecast adheres to the 2026 ethical standard, featuring traceable artisanship, low-carbon natural dyes, and zero-waste manufacturing. Looking ahead to 2027, bioluminescent fibers and traceable heritage NFTs are the next frontier. Stay viral and stay authentic. Thank you for watching this video. Join the revolution and follow the latest trends.